Okay, today we're going to be replacing the shock mount on this Mazda 3. Now, I actually replaced this on video only 2 years ago, and it already cracked. I don't know if you can see that, but it cracked right there. So gonna change it again, and I think it's from the salt, so we'll give it another shot. I think I anti-seized these. And we're going to be using the TMG impact wrench. It has that auto stop feature, and I don't know how to disable that. That is so useless. Alright. Well, it's not that powerful for lug nuts, as you can see, but it got the job done. Alright, so what is this? The shock bolt. It says 17. Alright. I'm going to try to do all this one-handed. I don't know if this is gonna reach. Oh yeah, it won't reach. Man. Well, we need to remove that shock bolt, so you know what? Let me get the lived in. We'll give that a shot. Alright, so we got the whole crew out here. We'll give the lived in a shot. Now, I don't know how charged this battery is on this impact. The last time I was using it, I think I pulled the wheel hub, so that is a big job on its own. No. Alright, we'll try the stubby. You know, the Milwaukee fans are getting excited. I better make sure it's on the right setting. 3. Reverse. Wow, like, look at that. I anti-seized this bolt. So, I don't know what to tell you. No real excuse. That's wild. She's anti-seized and that thing is fresh. I bet this could have done it. I bet the battery is down. We should put these two on the Skidmore and see what's going on. Maybe we'll put this one too. Alright. So the bolt is out. I want to give this TMG the chance. This not really about Milwaukee or the lived in. This is about the TMG. And it's a small impact. So what's next here? So that bolt is out. Then we gotta get these two 13s out. So alright. This thing's small, it's lightweight, it's like that stubby. Oh, what the hell? Is that a 13? It is. So. Rust in the eyes. Or salt. So this thing's only 2 years old. I'm guessing the salt ate away at it. So let's get that. All right. Now we need, what is that, a 13? That's a 13. Alright, top bolt is on. Here's the mount. This is all road salt, if you've never seen that before. Alright, let's put this back.